I'm shocked at how dark this Dark Night pillow paint changed and how beautiful this project came out.
All right, well, welcome back. If you watched the video before this, you saw Marie and I make a great painting.
It was beautiful.
It was beautiful. It really came out great.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
And if you don't know Marie, this is Marie, one of the subscribers to my channel. We actually just met today. We are definitely birds of a feather.
Yeah.
So she's a subscriber, and it turned out she lived near me. So, you know, you don't want some stalker to come over to your house or something, but I did. So I invited her.
I'm a stalker now. Thank you.
So I invited her, and here we are. And we made our first thing, and now we're going to make a second thing.
With the same colors.
If you saw the first thing, it was amazing. And we're going to use, and I'll link to it right here so you can see it. And then the second thing, we're going to do a different technique. Now, I made the first one. I'm going to make Marie make the second one. So you can do it.
I can do it.
All right. So we have a cradle board. Marie covered the back with some press and seal and some tape so that it's all ready to go. And that way, when we're all done with it and peel the tape away, it's going to look beautiful.
A nice clean.
Yep.
Yeah.
The 10 by 10 cradle board, and it's got the nice 1.5 inch side, so it's going to look really cool on the wall. So I can't wait. And the color that we used on the other one was Sherwin-Williams.
Oh, it's
and
gorgeous.
This is called Dark Night. And it is beautiful. So we're going to use that again.
Looks like it almost has a green in it, doesn't it?
Yeah, it is. It's got a
Gorgeous.
green in it. So
Yes.
we're going to pour this on. Now we're going to do a swipe on this. And Marie has never done this kind of a swipe. So it's something I get to teach her today. So I'm
Yeah.
really excited about that.
I'm excited.
Okay, so I'm kind of a paint waster, I guess. I usually put too much on, but I really always want my projects to come out, and I try to pick up the paint afterward and save it for future projects. I'm not always the best at that, but I try. I see we got a little something or other in there. Yep, so we'll get that off. And when you're working with the dark paints like this, they do make a giant mess, don't they?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's a giant mess, but we don't care. We don't care because we get to paint.
That goober's still
Yeah,
there?
it's still there, isn't it? I still see it too. Where'd I do this? I was so close. Yeah.
Oh,
that's a good one. Paint snot, I call it. Okay. So for this, we're going to make a swipe, and then we'll probably try to spin it or tilt it to widen the swipe.
Sure.
But because we're not all about, we want the swipe to keep its integrity.
Is there another goober here?
Yeah.
Right there.
Ooh. Because we want the swipe to keep its integrity, I'm going to spread as much paint off as I can right away. Ooh, there is one. You got it.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's why I'm spreading the paint out, because we're going to want to keep as much integrity to the swipe. And as soon as you start spinning it, you start losing that.
Yeah, it gets bigger and bigger,
it gets
right?
bigger and bigger, which a lot of people like, but
But it's not what you're going for.
yeah, we want to do it different. Okay, so like that. And then I'm going to put a little more paint on here because we're going to want this to go over.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to start with it over. That way the new paint should look really good with it. So I'll get a little on here. When you're working with wood like this, I find it easier to get it on like this ahead of time.
Okay.
We're going to put our paint on this rather than on that, and then we're going to go over it.
So does it make it different than putting the paint on there? Does it make it different?
It does. That's why you're going to like it so much.
I'm so excited.
You're going to like it so much. The first thing that you want to put on here is your cell activator, because when you tip it over, it's going to drop in and create the swipe.
Yes.
So
Okay.
cell activator goes first.
See, I would have thought it would have been different.
So
would have been opposite, but I understand now.
You want to go ahead and put it on there. So
Yes.
you basically what you're going to do
is just
you're
cover
gonna
the whole
paint
thing.
it on there.
But just
I'll let you go
not
ahead.
Not real heavy,
I'll let
right?
you go ahead. Yep. You're going to do that one first.
Sure.
This is so exciting. Yeah.
Sure.
I put it on there kind of heavy.
Oh,
Glop it on
okay.
there. Yep.
Glop it on.
Yep.
I like her words.
Because you're going to want it to drip down into the rest.
Is this enough for all over?
I would just get it all over it. Yep.
Or do I need more?
A little more, I think.
A little more.
Yeah. That's how I would do it.
Okay.
Okay. All right. There you
I want
go.
to be like Jane.
Okay, now you're going to do, I would start with this one here.
This?
Nope, the one in front of it, the white in front
Oh,
of
the
it.
white in front of it.
Yep. I would start with
Okay.
that one.
Okay.
You're going to put that one on.
Not that heavy though?
No.
Okay.
Well, you can do whatever you want because when you tip your knife, you know it's going to drip. So you just got to be aware of that. You know, when you go to flip it over,
So
it's
do I
going to
wanna,
drip a little bit. But that's okay.
Work it in or just
Nope.
leave it like
Nope.
that?
You're going to just leave it above.
Okay.
And then I'll do this one since I
Okay.
have this one open. You can kind of,
Do whatever you want.
yep. Yep. And then next up is that one over there, the white one?
This
Yep.
white one?
The pearl one, yep.
Oh, I love this.
You've never done this? I'm teaching you something you've never
Yes.
done.
Yes.
This is awesome.
She got me on the record kick.
Yeah, doing the records.
Doing the
yeah.
records. I love those.
Yeah.
They're fun.
This is actually the first day we met, which is what's so amazing.
And then which color?
I would do this
one.
That one. I got the list right here. That is tail feather.
We're shaking our
Tail
feathers.
feather, yep.
Am I
Yep.
getting too much on here?
Nope,
now?
you're fine.
It's dripping off.
Yep, just drip it over there. Next is abalone, which is this one.
Okay, that pretty
I
blue.
might have to stir this one
Okay.
for you, so I'll stir it and put it on for
Okay.
you. And
I'll try not to move it.
there you go. And then next is violet azo gold.
This
The
one.
azo gold, yep.
The one that looks like caramel.
Try not to drip it over that.
Oh,
Although it's not going to matter
Yeah.
terribly. And this one, not so much. You're just drizzling a tiny bit on here. It'll take over. You'll notice it'll
Okay.
take over. Just drizzle.
drizzle, drizzle.
That's it.
That's it.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. And then we want the more of the pearl blue. So this one,
Okay.
pearl blue. It's white, but it'll come out blue. And I know it's blue because I can see the edges of the jars showing.
Do I want more?
That's good.
Okay.
Yep. And then last one is that purple over there, the Lumiere
Okay.
purple.
That's so pretty.
Yeah.
I just bought that one.
Actually, that's not the last one. We're going to do the pearl blue again over the top of that.
Do I have enough of this
Yep.
on here?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. And the pearl blue right there.
Okay.
A little more of that.
This little bugger?
I know, it looks like a lot, doesn't it?
No.
It's so crazy. Now, what you're going to do, you're going to pick how you want your swipe to be. You know, you could go corner to corner. You could go straight down. You could do however you want. Just know that as you flip it, it's going to drip.
Okay.
But,
so you got to do
gotta
it.
kind of get at it. Yeah, you
Yep.
can't stand there for too long.
Okay.
You got to make your
I
plan.
think I want to start right here and just kind of like that.
Okay. Ready when you are.
Yeah, but it's
And,
going to
and
go.
you know how to do a swipe. You're
Yeah.
not going flat on
Yep,
it. You're just
you're
gently.
painting
Yep.
you're frosting.
All
the
right, go and
shade.
ready. Go and ready. Yeah, whatever you want to do. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Beautiful. Yep,
Is that it?
yep, just like that. And now we wait. Look at that.
That's
Ooh, that is beautiful.
I like that.
It's coming up. I love that. That's beautiful. I like how we accidentally got a swirl of something there. Now-
that came from the can.
Mhm.
Yeah, that's kind of
Yeah.
cool. There's, you can see it here too.
Yeah. Now, it's going to grow and we're going to spin it. And you could, if you wanted, you could use a knife to like adjust it more,
Yeah.
or you could enjoy it like it is, or you could do another swipe like that where you put all the paint on a smaller one and do another
Mhm.
area.
I kind of like it
Um,
like this.
It is
I
beautiful.
just want to see what happens. And
It
it's-
is beautiful.
It's funny because it's the same colors,
Yeah.
but it's going to look entirely
Yeah.
different.
I love how here,
But
like
you
that
can,
little.
Yep. You can
Yeah.
you can put them on the wall next to each other because they
Mhm.
are the same colors.
Yep, yep. And it's starting to come up. Let's hit it with the torch. And then you just got to see, is this how I like it or
Mhm.
how you want to adjust it? I like the
Do you think
beauty
it's-
of the simplicity.
I do too. Do you think it's too heavy here?
Well, we're going to give it time to see what it does.
Okay.
Because it could still, it's got time for them to come up.
I mean, you could, in my mind,
Mhm.
tell me if I'm wrong, you could tip it, but if you tip it, you're going to lose that.
Right.
So you don't want to do that.
I love that.
Yeah,
That is
that's
really
cool.
nice. But not to say you can't use another knife and go across it another way.
Mhm.
I love the gold showing up on it. You
Or
know,
you could use.
we are going to spin it, but we don't have to spin much because we
no.
didn't overdo the paint on it. So it's hard to tell.
Did I frost the cake okay?
You frosted the cake great. It's great. You
Doesn't
did
look
great.
like chocolate.
Swiping is the hardest thing, I think.
Yes.
It takes a lot of practice because you're frosting the cake, but you're not flat on it. You're tipped a little to get that cell activator across it.
Right here. It's really pretty.
Most people start spinning way too soon and would lose what's going to come up here, but we've got more coming up. But we don't have as much as I hoped. So what you might want to do is do another swipe. You know, maybe you go across that way, or a little piece of one, or maybe we just use a tinier one.
Oh, I would do that, yeah.
You know, and keep going. Let's take this one off a minute and move it, because we have plenty of paint.
Like this size or
Which
smaller?
do you like?
I don't know, because I don't have small ones like
That's
this. So
nice. I
that's a
like
good
that
size?
one. Yeah, that one, and you could do like go across it that way.
Yeah.
Something like that.
Yeah.
Same thing. You're going to put the cell activator on first and keep going.
And that's,
let's look at it over here. Oh, look at it. Look at that. That is really nice.
that's the swipe.
That is really nice.
That's pretty. So here's the swipe.
We're going to just tip it so the people at home can see how beautiful it is. Look at that. So far.
I love this.
Yeah, isn't that neat?
Yeah.
Totally accidental. Or you're heavier at this end, so maybe you want to, I don't know, but I'm going to hang it on my wall. Sorry. It's too good. I can't give it up.
So you want to like come through these and carry them out?
Yeah, whatever you want to do.
Yeah, easy for you to say. I hate this part. This, I don't like this.
Look at it compared to that one, because that's the one we're going to.
Yep. Well, this looks a lot lighter.
It looks it's like it's a whole different painting.
Yes,
Isn't
but
that
it
wild?
still matches. It's got all the same colors.
Yeah. I kind of like it. Okay, you get to decide what you're going to do. You can't wreck it.
Yeah,
You're not going to wreck it.
You take just the point when you do this?
Yeah, Yeah, sometimes. Sometimes I just pick it up and move it too.
Oh.
Like
spread it like that?
Yeah, like this. You would take, you would get under it.
Okay.
Get under it?
More or less. Oh, I see what you're doing.
Bring it out.
Yeah.
Or that one wasn't the best one because that's just a little blob of paint.
Yeah, but that's pretty.
But but you can do it in other spots. Let's see if we can kind of get under it. You're just going to scoop it and drag it.
Okay. I like that there, but that put a little more of the...
Yeah, it brought a little of the gold out like that.
Did. Yeah.
And then since you have this, maybe you want to bring some gold out over here.
Okay.
I love how that is, but you could get under it and do that same thing.
Okay.
Here, let's clean this off so you don't have...
I usually do this.
That's right, yeah. So wherever you want, you can scoop and it's called a scoop and drag. You're just going to get under it, get a little bit on your knife, and then bring it out, and then, yes! That looks so good. Look at that. That's nice. Oh, here.
No, that's okay. That's what I do at home.
Okay. I like that. That's really nice. You could do that wherever you want.
Like how the dark went in there?
It's up to you. You can always tap it down if you don't like it, and, tap away. Yeah, there you go. Yep.
I brought it up farther.
You made more.
Okay, well, we're gonna go in there and do.
I like it like that though. That looks nice.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Is there anywhere else you want to do that? You might take that little end there. Whoops.
This end right here.
Yeah. See the flat side of that.
Oh, right here.
Bring it out a little more. Yeah. Scoop it out and drink. Yeah. There you go.
Okay.
Yes, you got it. Where you just take your knife and do that.
Yeah, that looks better.
That looks great. Look at you go.
Yeah, I don't think I want to do another swipe. It's got all the colors.
It's really coming along. I think those little changes are adding to it and making it even more beautiful.
Yeah, I think so.
You like it like that? You like it like that?
Well, I don't want to wreck it.
Well, this brought it out nice. Yeah, so pick where you want, and then you're going to do... That might be a little harder to do, but wherever you want.
Here. I think I want to bring this out.
Oh, there you go. Yes, I think that gave it a lot. Oh, that's really nice. See, now it looks more intentional too. I think.
Yeah.
It gave
I
it
like
more
that.
symmetry.
I like this one. Yeah.
Now it's going off it in other places. And now let's spin.
Okay.
But we're probably going to lose that.
Yep.
And I think maybe what we got to do is, even if we tip it up a little,
So would you
I probably would
spin until there's not too much paint left? Is that
Yep.
what we're talking about? So
Yep.
it doesn't crack.
Yep.
Okay.
Because we still have too much on here.
Yep.
So that little end is going to go off anyway. So
But
let's
that's
just
okay.
move
That
it
looks
to
like
the
a
side.
dragon head.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. Ooh.
I like that.
That, I think having it go off was nice,
Oh,
because
yeah.
let's turn it so they can
Yeah,
see
it
it.
really gives it a really
Yeah.
nice, yeah.
It's on
like
the
that.
side now.
Yep.
Love it though.
Mm-hmm.
It's really nice. We made a giant mess, but it's beautiful. See, and I would hang it like, I think this is really cool.
Uh-huh.
I'd probably hang it like with this at the top.
Yeah.
Because to me, it looks like it's just going up to the
yeah.
sky.
Yep.
But maybe not. I don't know. I love it.
I like how this came off too right
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
That's pretty. Don't you
Took a
come
little
off
off.
of there. I kind of want to go like this.
Yeah, there you go. Oh yeah, because that's what you did on the
Look,
other.
it looks like a face.
Yeah.
A dog's face.
That's going to be great. Oh, that looks a lot more planned.
Yeah.
I love it.
Here, I got it.
And that solved our problem with why the paint was goofy over there.
Yes.
It just did it itself.
Yeah. I like that. Like
That is nice. It looks
because it's
very
got
nice.
this here.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so I think what we should do. First of all, I've had a great time doing
Me
this with
too.
you. We need
I
to do
really-
more things together.
I appreciate
I
you
love
having me
it,
come
and I
over.
love that you're on my live stream because you have
Oh,
so
yeah.
much joy. It's like two joyful people found each other. God is so good. It's amazing.
Yes.
And boy, that is sticking right out.
Oh,
It's
look at that.
beautiful.
Yep.
That came out better than all the rest. That layering
did.
order.
Yeah.
I almost really love that more.
Yeah.
But what we're gonna do, listen to us. We're gonna
Did you go down
put
a
this up
cul-de-sac
on
or
some.
what?
We're gonna put this up on some cups. We're gonna film it for you so you can see what it looks to. Put it to some music and put it up for you, and then clean up, and then we're going for a boat ride, right?
Absolutely.
If we get a chance, we'll take a picture on the boat for you too, because we're gonna go out and enjoy some time together.
Okay.
This is awesome. It's been great doing it with
Thank
you.
you.
I mean, gosh,
That's fun.
how lucky am I that you're not a stalker when I invited you over.
Yeah, you don't know.
We'll see you guys in the next episode. Like and subscribe. Watch the videos. They're enjoyable whether you want to do this kind of art or not. But of course, this kind of art is amazing. I'm just a fan.
Yep.
And we'll see you in the next episode. Take care. Bye.
Wipe the sleep from your eyes. Quit your dreaming now, the sun is on the rise. And by the end of the day, this dusty room will be 1,000 miles away. Once heard it said in a song, best keep to traveling on.